Yeah, these are Egyptian fruit bats. They're from Africa. Can you see them?
Oh, that's cool. They're pretty cute, aren't they?
These are Egyptian fruit bats. So what do you think they eat? Fruit, that's right. None of our bats around here eat fruit, but if you go to where it's warm all year round, you will see bats that eat fruit. And these are fruit bats, and look at their big eyes. They use those eyes to help find their food. And then here I've got, this is a tracing from a live bat that I've met, and that's the kind of bat that's the biggest bat in the world.
Where's the head?
Right here.
Okay.
And this is from the smallest bat in the world, the bumblebee bat. This is the Malayan flying fox.
Do they eat bumblebees?
No, it's because he's not much bigger than a bumblebee.
Oh.
But it does eat insects. His body is probably smaller than the size of my thumb right there. That's how tiny he is. Itty bitty. And then we have a bunch of pretty pictures and information about that. So you're welcome to pick one or two things off the table to take with you. There are lots of postcards with pretty pictures. Yeah, those are tattoos. These are stickers. And these bats live at Cochran Mill Nature Center just outside of Atlanta if you want to come visit them. They have a great reptile exhibit there. And birds of prey. They're from Africa. We don't have They are cute. They have little dogs like them. Never thought